Alright, this is Rise of the Knights, and today we are going to be making a blue raspberry drink. So, let's look at the ingredients first. So, I think this is called Lucy's Blue Raspberry Flavoring. I got it off of Amazon. We have a Pepsi, and we have some crushed ice. Now, you can add alcohol if you want to, but I'm under 21, so I'm not doing that. So, to start, we're going to get 1/4 a cup of blue raspberry flavoring. So, that should be about right. So we are going to then add ice to the glass, because if you add it after, it'll go everywhere. So, I might make a mess. We're gonna add a nice amount. I think that should be good. And then, in the measuring cup, we are going to add some Pepsi. Now, I'm just gonna fill the rest with Pepsi, or at least fill half of it, up to, I say 4 ounces. So we're gonna fill it up to 4 ounces. So like that. And then we're gonna pour it in. And check it out. So you can see it looks very cool. Come show it, Mama, over here. It's all bubbly, and it's like dark blue underneath, but it's bubbly on top with the light blue bubbles. It's really cool. So I am going to take a sip of it to test it out. It's actually really good. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, you can leave a like. If you absolutely hate it, you can leave a dislike. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.